Going to the point with the destination. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to go to the point with the destination. When you click the destination option from the Tools menu on the left menu, the point to be appliquéd must be determined on the destination page of the panel. The destination point is determined with one of the location preferences by searching or typing the current location from the map. Then, when we click on the destination button, the line to be visited appears on the map. In addition, a green arrow is formed on the map and we can reach the destination point by following this green arrow. Above the screen, the distance to the destination point is shown. When we click on the Save button below, the destination points can be saved after entering the save name in the panel. When we click on the History menu, we see the destination points we have saved. When we click the Delete button to the right of the saved points, the save is deleted from the list. When we click the Go button, the destination is restarted. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.